Wow, 3 in a day. What can I say? Since you've talked to me last, I have showered and put on some clothing. Still not wearing pants, but close to being dressed. I talked to the people in Andersonville. Their trailer won't be open and ready until the middle of July. They've still got to replace the water heater. I've not replaced the water heater personally. Maybe I have. Everybody I've seen do it, it takes them a day. Then let's say you tear up all the linoleum from the front door to the bathroom getting it done. So just replace the entire linoleum. How bad could that be? Looking at like a week, I would think. Oh well, what do I know? I know nothing, or I would be a contractor, right? On the payroll thing, where I said I had so much stuff building that would be ready, that I started 3 or 4 days ago that would be ready today. Well, 2 of the things that I started today were enough to put me over the limit, so I've got a whole shitload of points about to come that I don't need. Well, I will come the next crime scene, I'm sure. It's a sparkling fruit juice of some sort. Sparkling strawberry, I think. Cheap. Tasty, I miss beer, I miss bourbon, I miss tequila. I don't know. The puppies all laid down and went to sleep while I was taking my shower. They'll stay that way the rest of the night. Even little sis in the cage that she barely fits in. There's enough room for her just to get in there and lay down. That's about it. And that's what she does. Take everybody else out, and she lets the big brown dog have his crate instead of staying out here with me. And he goes into his crate just as happy as can be. So, lock me up. Lock me up. Yeah, I've been out all day. Lock me up. I don't understand the critters. What else did I know? Still 2 of the medications that I'm on. I've never been, that I was supposed to be on when I came out of the institution. I've still never been on. It's been a month now. I was on them while I was there. So I did them 2 days and went cold turkey. Some of the things I've been on, I ran out of Sunday night. So cold turkey on those. And out of 21 pills, going cold turkey on 4 or 5. I guess not too bad. I know I was dizzy and lightheaded this morning. I was convinced I hadn't taken my morning pills. After 2 hours, I'm like, man, I gotta get back in there and take my morning pills. I looked at it. I'd taken them. Kind of ran into the same thing yesterday. I'm like, did I take my pills or not? So I went in and I looked at it, and I said it, and it immediately went through my mind. I said, nope, Tuesday's gone. Any Beatles fans out there, you get the joke. I didn't mean it as a joke when it went through my head. I'm doing pretty good at my talking right now. I'm concentrating on every word, so I'm doing pretty good. I was really screwing up when I was at Dollar General and probably talking to the lady who offered me a ride home. She was cute. Had another cute lady stop and introduce herself to me at the mailbox and told me I needed to come by sometime. It was the house with all the poplars. I'm not sure it was just the house with all the poplars. Anyway, that was a couple months ago. If the place isn't ready till the middle of next month, and that is the one that I wind up going to, it'll make my roommate much happier because she'll have another half a month's rent. So, as opposed to being half a month's rent behind when she goes to her new place. if I can get into Oak Grove or back into Proctor. I'd hate to go back to Proctor, but it would just be for a year. Sign a 1-year lease. That way I would be right in the middle of everything. I could catch a bus to anywhere I wanted. I know the bus route's perfect from there. I can get to Walmart and back in 25 minutes. 2 different buses. But I have to do my shopping real quick. Not a problem. I'm always very quick at my shopping unless I start impulse buying like hell, like I did today. Dumbass me, I got a cart, knowing that I needed clay litter, and I was going to get a little bag of clay litter. I'm like, well, I better just go ahead and get a cart. I ran into a sweet tooth last night, so I got 2 bags of cookies, you know, shit like that. Stuff I didn't need. I will look terrible in my bikini. I shouldn't have said that. That brings up some... I've seesawed between really bad feelings today and feeling pretty decent about life. I'm pretty decent about life. I'll add it all together probably about 2 minutes. But you know, I haven't felt as bad as normal. Unless certain songs play. And then I've turned off the radio or TV or whatever. I put on Solitaire Arena that, regardless of what the doctors tell me, I remember what happened to me in Cookeville in 1985. Would have been the 19th, I guess, because it was exactly a week before my car wreck. Long story. It's also the reason I hate all Kappa Sigs and anybody associated with them. Now I'm all depressed again. Or angry. Not sure which I am. I didn't want to take up much time on this one. I just want to let everybody know about the housing thing. Because I was really counting on having any move I had to make done before the end of this month. And I was thinking, you know, she's been telling me for a month and a half about this trailer, and I'm like, okay. So I'll call and ask her if it's still there, and if it is, ask her if I can pay half a month's rent, get the electric and water turned on, my DirecTV will just go with me. I can worry about internet next month. And I already brought up to Jen about taking half my month's rent, you know, for her help in moving. And she didn't seem bad about it. She seemed alright with the idea. So that's an idea. But once again, that puts us a month further than I meant to be. Because it comes down to those last 15 days, I guarantee I can't count on a single person. And I wind up asking Jan to help me move all my stuff in storage, and I go stay at a motel somewhere that I can't afford. Or it's $569 a month for the one in the middle of crack hell. Well, that one in McMinnville was even nicer, but and had a $10 pet fee, but I don't know how they'd feel about 3 cats. I only had 1. Anyway, just stuff to think about. Sorry to have done 3 in one day. I'll try and make it a point to just do one tomorrow. Anderson out.